Hey guys, we have Bitcoin price on the news here on Coinmarketcap today. So, going to with the recent increase in price of Bitcoin since the fall in June, the crypto crash in early June, we've seen some massive increase. So here, initially, the price of Bitcoin was about $46,000 plus, but now it's $44,306. So Ethereum is still around the figure of more than $3,000. Then we have BNB, Dodge, we have other, we have Link, SLM, we have other smart contracts and centralized exchanges here. And Bitcoin dominance is still way ahead, 45%. So guys, let's look at the top trending assets for today. We have top trending assets as Old 2.0, Coco Swap, 1H token, Polyplay, TrueFaith, Request, Axie Infinity, Pawn Rocket, Winklink, Ethereum. So these are the top trending assets for today. Then the top most search assets for today are 1H token, Golden Dodge. Golden Dodge is currently doing an airdrop, while 1H token did a Coinmarketcap 10 learn and earn campaign program some time ago. I think the token distribution is still ongoing or it has ended. But you can check it up if you participated on the Coinmarketcap token distribution website. So you can get see your eligibility or your token distribution status. We have Zookeeper here, Catcare, Bitcoin, Cardano, Shiba Inu, XRP, and Ethereum is still there on the list. So the top gainers for today, we have top gainers for today as Taste NFT, Beatrice token, Mindo, Space Swap, Linkart, Superflow Key, Yo-Yo, Ecoin, Kisian's network. Ecoin is currently doing their airdrop, so you need to watch out for that one so you can participate in the airdrop. The market data is tracked and the price value is tagged already. Then for top losers, we have Zoom token, Ethereum chain token, Baby Dodge Billionaire, Master Contract, Save World, Payvice, Sakura Bloom, Baby Shiba Inu. So guys, these are some of the updates today. So you can check on these coins, make more research on these coins, and I think this should help in knowing what to do next. Cryptocurrencies to make an investment in. Mind you, cryptocurrency trading is risky, so you really need to make as much research as possible before pushing through with whichever decisions you're making. So guys, these are the updates on Coinmarketcap's crypto analysis and its map section, hot and not. So peace out guys, and see you in our next upload. Don't forget to subscribe if this update is helpful to you. We'll be dropping future updates later. So guys, peace out guys, one love.